In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your very own LUMI recovery pod. Overall, the pod is pretty self-explanatory, but I'll give you a couple of helpful pointers that I've found when assembling and disassembling the pod. Make sure it is where you want to use the pod, because you've got no chance of moving it when it's full. It's about 250 kilograms. Now, learn from my mistake on this. Got the tub, super excited, filled it up the night before, and then when I came to it, because I'd forgot to tighten the drain tap, all the water that I'd left in overnight was on the floor. So tighten it up and make sure it's locked off. And when it's time to deflate the pod, this stumped me for absolutely ages. Take the cap, there's a spur on the end, poke that into the diaphragm, and then that will deflate the pod. Absolute game changer. Long-term viewers of the channel know that I am a big proponent of cold water therapy, and as often as possible I love to get out into nature, but it's not always convenient. Over winter, just using an old recycling bin. Unfortunately, at the start of the year, I was involved in a car accident where the car was written off, so I had a lot of bumps and bruises, and getting into the bin I found very difficult and painful. So I needed a solution that was a lot more accessible. I could just climb in without having to use a step ladder. Because the LUMI is nice and low, it means that I can climb in and out of it with very little difficulty. Hope you have found that helpful. Hit like and consider subscribing for more content where we can work to upgrade your mindset and also upgrade this body through cold exposure, breathwork, and exploring our physical potential.